Hi children, good morning. Do you know who am I? This is Balakrishnan. Okay, now I am going to take spoken English class for you. Okay, what is that? Now I am going to take spoken English class for you. Okay, va? Can you understand? Yes, all of you, good morning. Yes, say all of you once again. Good morning. I can't hear. Say once again. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, very good. Good morning. So today we are going to learn totally 10 sentences. How many sentences? Today we are going to learn 10 sentences. In English, we are going to learn 10 sentences. Are you ready? Are you ready, ma? Are you ready? Yes, very good. Yes, all of you ready? I can understand. So please listen the class. Okay, va? So because English is very important. Okay, va? In our life, in our daily life also, we are using so many English words. So English is very important. Okay, va? So what we want to do? We want to learn more English. So English is very important in future also. Now you are studying LKG or UKG, okay va? But after 10 years, after 12, what we will do, ma? You become a MBBS, okay va? You become a doctor, you become an engineer, you become a collector. For that, definitely English is very important. So what you want to do? You want to learn more English. So from today onwards, we can learn English little by little. What is that? We don't want to learn lot, okay, but from today onwards we can learn English little by little, daily 5 sentences or 10 sentences, that is enough. Okay, how many sentences? Daily 5 to sentences. If we are learning in the month of end, how many sentences will come? More than 100 sentences, 200 sentences we can learn. So shall we start the lesson? Today's spoken English, I have written 5 sentences here. What is that? I have written 5 sentences here. If you are going to school, when the teacher is enter the class, after that you are standing. What is that? You are standing. After that, what is the teacher is telling? Please sit down. What is that? Please sit down. So what we want to do? You want to sit. What is that? You want to sit. Am I right? Yes or no? You want to sit. So if they say, if anybody will say, please sit down, you want to sit down. Okay, you want to sit. Yes, sit like this. So you want to sit. If anybody come to your home, what do you want to do? You want to give your water and then you can say, please sit down. What that? Sit down means utkar. Kile utkar. Okay, va? Sit down. So please sit down. Please is a polite word. So you can say, please sit down. So what do you want to say? Please sit down. Can you tell me one time? Yes, please sit down. Say louder. Please sit down. Say once again. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Okay. So this is the first word. What is that? This is the first word. Please sit. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please sit. S-I-T. Sit. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. Please sit down. Please sit down means what is that? Utkar. Okay. Please sit down. Okay. This is the first sentence. Can you understand what is meant by please sit down? Please sit down. We can say anyone to please sit down. Okay. Yes. And then second sentence. What is that? Please stand up. What is that? Please stand up. If anybody sit. What is that? If anybody sit or anybody lay, what you want to do? You can say, please stand up. What is that? Please stand up. Okay, va? Yes, please stand up means you want to stand. Okay, if anybody say, please stand up, you want to stand. You want to stand up. Okay, this is the position. Okay, va? Please stand up. So, what is meant by stand up? Nil. Okay, sit means ukkar. Stand means nil. Okay, so please stand up. If you say anybody, if anybody sitting before you, if anybody sitting nearby you, what you can say? Please stand up. Okay, what is that? Please stand up. If it is necessary, you can say please stand up. What is that? Please stand up. Can you say please stand up? Tell me. Please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. Be louder. Be louder. நல்லா வேகமா சொல்லுங்க. Be louder. What is that? please stand up. What that? Please stand up. What that? Please stand up. So first word we have learned. What that? Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Then second word, please stand up. What that? Please stand up. Please stand up. Okay, that is the second word. And the next, what that? And then next one, the third word. Yes, maximum of the children, maximum of the babies, what they are doing? They are running fastly. What that? They are running. They are running. And the next fall down. Okay, if they are running fastly, what they will do? They will fall down. கீழே விழுந்துருவாங்க. So our mother, what our mother said, hey, ஓடாதரா. Okay, our mother is telling. What that? So we also sometimes telling our brothers and sisters. What is that? Don't run. Don't run. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. What is that? Walk. Don't run. What is that? Don't run. Walk slowly. Okay, so வேகமா ஓடாத பொறுமையா நட. ஓகேவா? Don't run. What is that? Don't run. Walk slowly. Don't run. ஓடாதே. ஓகேவா? Third sentence what is that? Don't run. Don't run. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. ஓகேவா? So you can walk slowly. பொறுமையா நட. ஓகேவா? So don't run. Walk slowly. Don't run. Walk slowly. Can you understand the third sentence? Can you understand the third sentence? Don't run, walk slowly. Don't run, walk slowly. Can you tell me once again? Don't run, walk slowly. Can you tell me? Yes, tell me. Don't run, walk slowly. Don't run. Don't run. What is that? Don't run, walk slowly. Don't run, walk slowly. Don't. D-O-N. Apostrophe T, don't run, N-U-R-U-N, run, R-U-N, run, walk, W-A-L-K, walk, slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly, walk slowly, okay, so this is the third sentence. What is that? Don't run. What is that? Don't run, walk slowly. What is that? Walk slowly, okay, walk slowly. That is the third sentence. And the next fourth sentence, close the door. Do you know what is meant by door? Door means kadavu. Okay, what is that? Door Tamil meaning is kadavu. So close the door. What is that? Sometimes your father is telling, our mother is telling, what is that? They thambi kadavu saatra அப்படினு சொல்வாங்கல, கதவை மூடு. That means close the door. Hereafter you don't use the Tamil word. Okay, you can speak in English with your parent. Okay, if you are with your father or with your mother or with your brothers and sister, you can speak in English. What that? You can speak in English. How you want to say? Close the door. What that? Close the door. Door na anga kadavu. Okay, at the same time we can use window also. Close the window. Window means jannal. What is that? Window means jannal. Window means jannal. Okay, so close the door. So close the door. C-L-O-S-E. Close means here மூடு. Okay, close the door. கதவு. What is that? D-O-O-R, door. கதவு. So close the door. What is that? Close the door. So you can say, can you tell me once again? Close the door. Close the door na கதவை மூடு. Close the door. Okay, close the door. And then next, close the window. Jannalai மூடு. Okay, so for example, now I am going to close the school door. Okay, yes, look at here. Yes, this is the door. What is that? This is the door. So if I say close the door, close the door. What is that? Close the door. I have closed. What is that? I have closed the door. Can you understand? So this is the door. I have closed. Okay, open. This is open the door. So now I have closed the door. What is that? I have closed the door. Closed the door. At the same time, there is in this side there is one window. So I can close the window also. I can close the window also. Okay, so close the door and close the window. Close the door and close the window. Okay, can you understand the close? Close means moodu. What is that? Close என்னது? Moodu. So close the door means கதவை மூடு. Close the door. Can you tell me once again? Can you tell me? Yes, tell me. Very good. What is that? Close the door. Be louder. I can't hear. Close the door. Yes, say once again. Close the door. Yes, very good. You are telling correctly. Okay, ba? Yes. Close the door. At the same time, jannala moodna close the window. If you want to close the window, what you can say? Close the window. What is that? Close the window. And then next, what is that? Open the door. What is that? Open the door. Nama close munadi mood nama. Now what we are going to do? Now we are going to open the door. What is that? Open the door. Yes, now. Yes, that is that. I have closed the door already. What is that? I have closed the door already. Now I am going to open the door. What is that? Now I am going to open the door. So that is, it is closed. What is that? Now it is, now the door is closed. Can you understand? Now the door is closed. So now I am opening the door. What is that? Open the door. Okay, if you are telling me, sir, open the door, sir. What is that? Sir, open the door, sir. Now I will open. Okay, va? So open the door. At the same time, open the window. Open the door and open the window. Open the door and open the window. Window means jannal, I already told you. Okay, va? Door means door Tamil meaning is kadavu. Window Tamil meaning is jannal. So open the door. You can say, okay, va? Open the window. Open the door, open the window. Okay, va? Can you understand this sentence? Okay, va? Can you tell me? Can you tell me for once again? Open the door and then open the window. Okay, va? Open the door. Yes, be louder. I can't hear. Be louder. Okay, open the door. Open the window. What that? Open the door. Open the window. Okay, va? Now we have learned 5 sentences. How many sentences? 5 sentences. What is the first sentence? First sentence is, please sit down. What is that? Please sit down. Down means keele utkar. Okay, va? Please sit down. That is the first sentence. Okay, please sit down. Okay, va? And the next, the second sentence is, please stand up. Okay, va? The second sentence is, please stand up. Nil. First utkar, second nil. Okay, va? Please stand up. Please stand up. Then third sentence, don't run. Okay, va? Don't run. Don't run. Walk slowly. What is that? Walk slowly. So the third sentence is, don't run, walk slowly. Don't run, walk slowly. That is the third sentence. And the next fourth sentence, close the door. Now I told, okay, now just before I have closed the door, no. So close the door. Kadavai mood. Close the door. That is the fourth sentence. Close the door. What is that? Close the door. And the next fifth sentence, open the door. Fourth sentence is, close the door or close the window. Then fifth sentence is, open the door or open the window. Okay, va? That is the fifth sentence. Okay, va? So totally today we have learned how many sentences? 5 sentences. How many sentences? Today we have learned 5 sentences. Okay, va? Can you tell me what are the sentences? First sentence is, sit down. What then? First sentence is, sit down. What the second sentence? Stand up. What is that? Second sentence? Stand up. What is the third sentence? Don't run. Okay, va? Don't run. Walk slowly. Okay, walk slowly. That is the third sentence. What is the fourth sentence? Close the door. What is that? Close the door or close the window. Close the door or close the window. That is the fourth sentence. Okay, va? And then what is the fifth sentence? The fifth sentence is, open the door. What is that? Open the door and open the window. Okay, va? Today how many sentences we have learned? How many sentences we have learned? Tell me. How many sentences we have learned? Totally we have learned 5 sentences. How many sentences? 5 sentences. Don't forget, you want to use these sentences in your family, with your family members, in your home. Okay, va? In your home you want to use these sentences. You want to speak with these sentences with your parent. Okay, va? Friend, brothers and sisters. Okay, va? Can you do it? Can you do it? உங்களால முடியுமா? பண்ணுவீங்களா? Can you do it? Yes, very good. Okay, va? You can use these sentences in your daily life. Okay, you can speak with your parent, brothers and sisters, and friends and neighbors also. Okay, thank you children. We can learn another sentences from tomorrow. Okay va? Thank you to all. This is Balakrishnan. Thank you. Okay, bye.